S&P, Dow Jones, stock market, what else? They're all creating new all-time highs, guys. Guess what's next? Hopefully, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then XRP. Is it truly time? Well, China is coming into play at full force. Just in from radar hits, China considers issuing up to 6 trillion yuan of bonds to fund aggressive economic stimulus. That's, I think, $1 trillion United States or USD, guys. Again, that's the thing, guys. They cannot stop printing. I'm telling you, liquidity is going to go higher, which will then do what for risk-on assets? Explode them, guys. Right? Do we see what's upcoming? Now, right now, at this exact moment, guys, this is Bitcoin. That's Ethereum, and that's XRP. Okay. What needs to happen is to break out of this range. Whenever it does that, guys, I don't know how long it will be. Maybe today, tomorrow, a week, or a month from now. Whenever that time does appear, finally, again, clear skies ahead, and we're about to enter that parabolic phase, guys. I'm truly excited. Are you? Comment down below, and please like today's video. Thank you. Because it seems like BlackRock, the major puppet within the system, or one of, is a big advocate of not only Bitcoin but crypto in general. Just in, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says, "We believe Bitcoin is an asset class in itself." We called this first, though, right? We said it first, guys. I said, in reality, XRP it's in its own realm, guys. But check this out. Again, they're very strong on promoting Bitcoin. Do we see what's happening? If they want something to go up, guys, it's going to go up no matter who tries to stop it. Because these people print and it's all manipulated. This whole system is.
Well, first, I'm not sure if either president or other candidate would make a difference. I do believe the utilization of digital assets are going to become more and more of a reality worldwide. Conversations we're having with institutions worldwide, conversations about how should they think about digital assets, what type of asset allocation there should be. I mean, we believe Bitcoin is an asset class in itself. It is an alternative to other commodities like gold. Well, first, I'm not sure if either president or other candidate would.
Right. It's this is insane because not only did he say that, but he as well stated that BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said today that Bitcoin will become as big as the entire United States housing market, valued over $50 trillion. Wait, what? Guys, whoa, calm down. Valued over $50 trillion. More specifically, I think 100 trillion. Okay. Wait a minute. What's going on? So that's 100x Bitcoin's price right now. Right? That's diabolical, guys. Millions upon millions upon millions of dollars for just one Bitcoin. What? What is happening? So that's what BlackRock believes? Because look what they stated, guys. Bitcoin will become as big as the entire United States housing market, valued over $50 trillion. This is diabolical. I stated that. Oh my gosh, no. We got confirmed, guys. Check this out. I'm about to go crazy. Oh my gosh. So remember, this point is right before the collapse. What do we say? That these assets will go diabolically to unseen territories. Very high, very high, very high. My minimum price target, I hope, is like 300k, guys. Bitcoin reaches before the collapse. Right now, it could be millions. I don't know. But that's what I'm saying. Things can get out of hand. And guess what? When it does, guys, it's all going to come back down. Right? It's just nature at the end of the day. The collapse will happen at some point, guys. But first, we have to still enter this and this. Right? So no one is ready, guys. Again, let me just say one more thing. If Bitcoin heads to millions of dollars per coin, guess what's going to happen to your literally most degenerate coin? Your coin will 10,000x plus. This isn't a drill. This isn't a joke. I'm not even joking, guys. Right? Yeah, for Bitcoin it may be crazy. No, for altcoins it's 100 to 1,000 to 10,000x crazier. What? I can't believe my face, honestly, guys. And people say XRP can't head toward $100 or something. Are you serious? Justin, total spot Bitcoin ETF trading volume surpasses $2.1 billion today. So they're so bullish, guys. The investors, the clients are so bullish that they have been buying an insane and ridiculous amount of Bitcoin today from all different kind of institutions. Fidelity buys 3,614 Bitcoin, but then there's more. BlackRock bought 1,200 Bitcoin, right? ARK bought 1,000 Bitcoin. Bitwise bought 1,500 Bitcoin. Look at that, guys. Literally on a buying spree. What's happening? Well, this happened, right? Huge news came out today. What? They really believe Bitcoin in the... Guys, that's honestly insane, right? But it's not. Again, it's not. I told you guys. I don't know how crazy it could get before the collapse, but I do know it will get crazy. Like the Roaring 20s. You guys ready? The Tulip Mania. Well, first, I'm not sure if either presidents or other candidates would make a difference. I do believe utilization of digital assets are going to become more and more a reality worldwide. This is from Larry Fink, okay? So here's Larry Fink quotes on Bitcoin/digital assets from the Q3 earning call, guys. Again, conversations we are having with institutions worldwide, conversations about how they should think about digital assets, what type of asset allocation there should be. I mean, we believe Bitcoin is an asset class in itself. It is an alternative to other commodities like gold, and so I think the application of this form of investment will be expanded to the role of Ethereum as a blockchain. As Ethereum as well. We'll talk about more about that in tomorrow's video, but can grow dramatically. What's going on, guys? They're turning extremely bullish. And remember, this is before the recession appears, before a great financial calamity in early 2025. Just be very careful out there. Remember, if they're extremely bullish, that's at the top, extremely bull, at the bottom, extremely bear. Always remember that, not financial advice. But I truly don't believe it's a function of regulation, more regulation, less regulation. I think it's a function of liquidity, transparency, and then through that process, no different than when years ago, when we started the mortgage market, years ago when the high yield market occurred, started off very slow, but it built as we built better analytics and data, and through better analytics and data, more acceptance and a broadening of the market. And I truly believe we'll see a broadening of the market of these digital assets. You guys see how he didn't specifically mention Bitcoin here? He stated digital assets, including Ethereum and XRP and altcoins. Beautiful. He's very bullish on altcoins as well. Interesting. And then we'll see how does each and every country look at their own digital currency. That's a very different asset class. Asset than a Bitcoin in itself. But I do believe we are going to witness as we build out better analytics. And then the question is, as you mentioned, regulation, how do we see in this country the role of digitizing the dollar? CBDC is imminent, and what role does that play? That's a very different question related to, say, Bitcoin and other items like that. But all of that is going to be under discussion. But remember, people are championing this idea that banks will come into play, institutions. I mean, the whole market is already centralized at this point. Decentralization went bye-bye. We told you guys this a long time ago, but you may as well get rich off of it. And what we are witnessing in other countries, we are seeing big success in India and Brazil in the digitization of their own currency for various different reasons, but we believe the technology of these blockchains are going to become very additive. And then you'll overlay AI and having better data analytics, broadening of these markets will occur, guys. There you guys go. Right. Big digital or big assets remind him of the early days of the mortgage market. Now $11 trillion. Wow. Interesting. At some point, people realize that they have more to fear by not embracing this technology than by embracing it. That's what I'm saying, guys. Volatility is always going to be there, but in the long term, we're only going up from here. You may as well get in or get out. Get in and enjoy the ride, guys.
When we bought Bitcoin, we bought 250 million. No public company had ever bought any. People thought we were crazy. So then we bought another 175 million. People thought we were crazy. Then we bought 600 million more.
Again, the bots are in play, guys. Do not fight against a trend or bots. Yes, short-term volatility will occur. Long-term is going up from here.
People said, you can't stand on it. It'll destroy you. It's like standing on a bridge made of steel. And I concluded, it's the perfect engineered material to solve our problem, but people are living in fear. And how are we going to get them to not be fearful?
Let me say one thing, guys. They're going to lure the heck out of everyone in this world to buy Bitcoin. just know that they're talking about millions of per Bitcoin, guys, already, and we're not even to that parabolic phase yet. What? So I do believe Bitcoin will collapse 99 point something percent at some point in time, and before that time, you probably want to get out, but you won't because the euphoria will be too much for you to even realize to get out of the market. But that's probably in a year or two max from now.
I was reminded of Andrew Carnegie's example. It's like build the bridge, go stand out in the middle of the bridge. You build an airplane, fly the airplane. Show people that it's not going to break. That's what MicroStrategy did. We said, well, if it's good for 100 million, it's good for $1 billion. If it's good for $1 billion, we might as well go for 4 billion. Right? And at some point, people will realize that they have more to fear by not embracing this technology than by embracing it.
Thank you for pumping our bags, though. That's what I'm very grateful of. Right? So this is very bullish, guys, in my opinion. That's what we need, actually. All these news. Bullish. Australia's first spot Ether ETF is launching Tuesday following the success of a Bitcoin ETF in August. The German publicly traded company to issue 30 million euros in bonds to buy Bitcoin and stake in funds. They all want it. Japanese public company Metaplanet buys 106 more Bitcoin. But again, if all these people are buying and accumulating Bitcoin like never before, you may be wondering what's going to happen to these companies. Well, probably implode during the collapse as well, right? But again, this is what I'm saying, guys. It's going to be a very crazy. I can't even comprehend it, to be honest, right? And even though we have stated this so many times, I don't think people understand it as well because it hasn't happened yet. But I do believe devastation will occur at some point, but for now, let us ride this wave. Breaking! October is back. Each October, guys, for Bitcoin, monthly returns, majority of the time, green. And right now, we are definitely in the green. Very beautiful, to say the least. Then, Bitcoin October starts here, guys. Right. Interesting. I hope so. We just go pump up in the 6 figures range and not stop, guys, right? That would be magnificent for our altcoins. This Bitcoin cycle isn't far from over. It still has time to start, right? We're at this period, guys, where it's just consolidation before this movement, right? Then after this is completed, that's the recession area, but then it goes higher because we're talking about millions of Bitcoin, millions per Bitcoin, as BlackRock stated, probably before the collapse. In my 7 years of looking at charts, this is the most insane chart I've ever seen, right? Consolidation. And remember, this is Bitcoin consolidating for like 9 months or something, right? XRP did this for 7 years. And if people are saying this is going to literally explode to the highest order magnitude, imagine XRP. Exactly. Right now, though, Bitcoin buy walls on all exchanges are now strong enough to neutralize sell walls, right? So a lot of people are definitely buying, guys, which is very bullish in my opinion. I just hope Bitcoin goes to 100k plus, and then all season is activated, and it's go time, right? My timeline will get confirmed, guys. I'm out of the market until the recession is set. Then I'm buying back in, we ride it to the collapse of hopefully Bitcoin 300 plus K. Now, financial advice I'm truly excited. Are you? Comment out and like this today's video. But it's so face, see ya.